Are you here because you're looking for time and financial freedom? Are you tired of only getting paid when you're physically present? In this video, we're going to share how affiliate marketing is aligned with achieving a lifestyle of freedom, where you can work when you want, wherever you want in the world.
According to Pat Flynn, the author of Smart Passive Income, affiliate marketing is the process in which people sell another company's products and receive a commission. In other words, find a product that you like, you trust, and believe in, and when you sell that product, you receive a commission.
The reason why affiliate marketing is so aligned with achieving a freedom lifestyle is we don't actually have to be physically here to sell you the product. Just like Bob and I are talking with you right now, yet we're off doing something else. And that's the power of affiliate marketing.
As affiliate marketers, we are third-party sellers. Third-party sellers are independent sellers that can sell a variety of products. We take a product and then we sell it. We don't have to incur the overhead of bricks and mortar, manufacture, distribute, or create a product. Our job as affiliate marketers is take a product that we align with and offer others the opportunity to do the same.
So we decided to become affiliate marketers for six-figure mentors. Number one, because six-figure mentors aligns with our values. But number two, we knew we needed to learn how to become affiliate marketers. We knew as entrepreneurs we could go online and we could find all sorts of free tools, but that would take more time. And when you look at Bob and me, we don't have all that much time to spare.
It's a depreciating asset.
It is a depreciating asset. So we thought we're going to use our time wisely, and we're going to have leaders in the community, six-figure mentor community, teach us what they did well and teach us what they didn't do so well so we could get to where we wanted to get to, achieve financial and time freedom more quickly. In the long run, we knew this would not only save us time, but it would save us money.
We are surrounded with excellent leaders, an abundant community, and mentors that have been there and done that. They know how to be successful, and they're always there to help us along our journey. That's exactly where we are with you. We are one of many that will help you along your online journey when the time is right.
Trying something new is scary. We get that. We encourage you to alleviate some of your fear and invest $29.95, 30-day money-back guarantee, so no risk to you, to just check out the inside of Six-Figure Mentors. This may be a fit, it may not be, but at least then you'll know. If the time is right, we look forward to speaking with you. Bye for now.
Bye for now.